Hi, I'm Brent Towery. I'm here with Evan Morrison, Brandon Johnson, and Asia Langley. Together, we comprise F.A.S.T Tent, and we bring to you a fantastic, adaptable, superior tailgating tent to help improve your tailgating experience.
Welcome to the F.A.S.T team. Brent Towery, Evan Morrison, and myself, Brandon Johnson. We are all business management majors here at West Point, and Asia Langley is a psychology major. Also, we have an engineering team that's partnered with us. It consists of 4 West Point cadets under the name of Concealed Team 6, and we credit them for the design of our tent. And since at some point we will have to perform our military obligations, our civilian counterpart, Amy Smith, who has 20-plus years of experience in the management field, will take the reins of the business in our absence.
I love going to watch the Green Bay Packers, but sometimes when I go late in the season, my tailgating experience gets ruined with snow.
And I'm a huge Tampa Bay Buccaneers fan, and now since we have Tom Brady, the games are going to be just that more exciting. But being from Florida, it just rains nonstop and all times of the day. So when it rains when we tailgate, it just kills the fun and creates a hassle, especially when the rainwater leaks through your tent.
And I'm from the South, so it's a given that I'm a huge SEC football fan. But if you know anything about the South, you know it can get hot and humid really quick. You can always get beat down by the UV rays and the heat, and it can put a real damper on your tailgating experience.
I love to tailgate West Point football games, but being exposed to the elements such as the rain, wind, and snow causes damage to your tents and to the property around you. So what is the solution to all of these problems?
Our solution is the fantastic, adaptable, superior tailgating tent. Our tent provides an adaptable and fully customizable environment in order to support your tailgating needs. The frame of the tent is made from galvanized steel to withstand any weather and roughage you may encounter. The weatherproof fabric is water resistant and provides excellent shade and coverage. The tent itself is designed to fit into a parking space, but you can accommodate larger crowds by connecting one or more F.A.S.T tents to each other. Furthermore, the tent you can adapt one wall of the tent in order to double the coverage with just a single tent. The walls of the F.A.S.T tent all roll up, so that way you can customize your tent to accommodate any sort of weather. The tent is collapsible and fits perfectly in the trunk of your car. It can be set up with just 2 people in under 10 minutes, so that way you can spend more time tailgating and less time setting up and cleaning up. Now, unfortunately, to the COVID-19 outbreak, we're unable to access our prototype. However, the top image represents a photo of the frame created by Concealed Team 6 in order to do the quick and easy setup. The bottom is a conceptual photo which shows the general shape and structure of the tent. Our vision with this tent is to enable the love of sports and inspire everyone to get together and spend time with each other. And we plan to do this by creating and providing the most reliable, appealing, and versatile luxury tent to every American, so that way they can enjoy their favorite sporting events with people that they love.
To best describe our target customer in the market, we have created the persona Joe. Joe is a 44-year-old college-educated male with a small family, and he loves to tailgate, making a 6-figure salary that he used to fund all these tailgates that he gained from his experience in the business world. After graduating from LSU in the early 90s, he absolutely loves LSU football, reuniting with his frat buddies, and he is riding the high of that championship game, so he can't wait to get back out there and cheer on his favorite team next season. To reconnect with his friends in his alma mater, he often hosts elaborate tailgates. He wants to host the most elaborate tailgate he can, and part of that means having the best setup possible, of which the tent is essential. Since he loves LSU and tailgates all throughout the South, the weather presents a problem to his setup. Because of the weather, he needs to shelter his tailgate from the elements, whether it's pouring rain or it's the scorching heat and UV rays. But he also needs to be able to fit everything under his tent, host people, and enjoy the game, all without the tent wearing out, so he can still be able to use it for future games and follow-on seasons. Based on our market research, Joe is just one of 6.31 million fans that host tailgates every year and are striving for the best possible experience every single time, of which none of the competitors are currently addressing his various needs. That is where we come in to meet those needs.
As avid tailgaters, there are 5 main features we want in a tent. Element resistant, capable of resisting snow, rain, wind, and even the harmful UV rays of the sun. Scalable, the tent can be widened, made smaller, or even made bigger. Modular, the tent can be taken apart or even connected with other tents. Quick setup, the tent can be assembled quickly with minimal manpower. And customizable, the tent can be outfitted with, for example, window panes or even your favorite sports team as well. So Euramax is known for, having durable material for tents to block the elements. Coleman is known for, their pop-up tent, just a quick setup. Quick Shade has a blend of both, but none of these companies' tents have all the main features, the total package, all the desired features in one tent. But see, our tent will be outfitted with all these features in one fantastic, adaptable, superior tailgating tent.
Our total addressable market is 6,310,000 customers. We assume that we will capture 1% of those customers per year, giving us 63,000 customers per year. Our selling price is $2,500. It costs $1,500 to make and produce these tents, and so that gives us a profit of $950 per unit. We will need an initial outlay of $10 million to cover overhead, manufacturing, purchase of material, and labor in the initial years. Our break-even point is 318,901 units. This occurs slightly after year 4.
For our timeline, we will execute our marketing plan and manufacture tents for the first 6 months in order to introduce the product to the market. For the first year, we will aggressively capture our beachhead market of luxury tailgaters so that by the end of year 1, we can introduce more features that will be available for follow-on markets while meeting our current customers' needs and presenting recurring income for us from such captured customers. The focus during this time will be optimizing the product for tailgaters, businesses holding tailgate-style events, schools striving to recruit athletes or host events at games, and other similar style events. By tailoring our product for such customers, we will then market ourselves to those in the camping industry, emergency services, including medical services for disaster relief, and party and event planners that often host outdoor festivities. As mentioned earlier, by year 4, we will achieve profitability and will continue to revise and tailor our product to not only secure our competitive advantage, but appeal to follow-on markets as well. At the end of the day, our product is incredibly versatile.
We've all experienced tailgating problems. So come join West Point and the F.A.S.T tent for all of your tailgating needs. Our fantastic, adaptable, superior tailgating tent is a solution to your tailgate problems because it is durable, scalable, modular, has quick setup, and is customizable. With all of these features, you'll have the best tailgate on the block.